Qhawekazi, Qhawekazi, Qhawekazi.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Shami Qhawekazi on the go. I'm back again with another vlog. So today I'm going to do my hair. I am putting some false locks. So yeah, outfit check, Qhawekazi hat, Qhawekazi earrings. You know guys, every day is Qhawekazi day, and a long dress with my Crocs. Crocs are life, guys. If you don't have any Crocs, what are you doing with your feet? What are you doing with your feet without Crocs? Come on guys, come on.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you could be my number one. All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and does more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget, I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night.
I just got off the taxi. The wind. I love my hair, but the pain, guys. The pain and the wind is making it worse. The wind is making it worse. But I love how the hair came out. I love it. Can't wait for it. The tension to be a bit loose. Then I can style it right, but the pain, I need to take 2 of my paid tablets. I think I'll be good. But I love my hair. It's really going to be a long night. The pain. The pain the pain that I am feeling. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, share. Yeah, like I always say, guys, let's not forget to aspire to inspire before we expire. Till we meet again.
Qhawekazi, Qhawekazi, Qhawekazi.